welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed a purple and gold halo eye, and if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So the first thing I am actually going to do is pick up my Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition BH Cosmetics palette, and I am going to pick up this, I don't know how to explain it, this like beigey, orangey, I don't think it's really orange, I don't know, but I'm gonna put it in my crease. And honestly, don't mind this pimple right here. It's just like my second head, it's not going away, but yeah. So I'm just going to pack that on my crease, and I already set my eyes. I put concealer on my eyes. I used the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in light, and I also put this shade to set my eye. So that's all I really did. And so I'm just gonna pack on the shade into my crease. And next, I'm going to pick up my Morphe palette in 35T, and I'm picking up this shade right here, and also packing it into my crease. And next, I'm going to head right back over to my Carli Bybel palette, and I'm going to pick up this plum shade right here. And I'm going to pack that on the inner and outer half of my eye. So I'm going to take that, start packing it into my outer, and slowly bringing it into the middle of my eye, and then I'm going to put it in my inner corner. And I'm also going to be blending it in with my crease colors that I already have. I'm going to keep continuously picking it up and packing it on. Okay, and next I'm going to pick up this darker plum shade, and I'm going to be doing the exact same thing that I did with the lighter plum shade. I'm going to be packing it in the outer and inner parts of my eye to deepen up the look a little bit. And next, I'm going to pick up my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in light, and I am going to pack that on the middle of my eye. Now that the concealer is at the middle of my eye, I'm going to pick up this brush right here and blend out the concealer. And now I am going to pick up this gold shade right here from my Morphe 35T palette and pack it onto the middle of my eye.
Just listen to the sound, two hearts beating.
I'm actually going to go in with this highlight right here and pack it on my eye to add a little bit of sparkle.
It's all forgiven to my eyes. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's all forgiven.
And now I'm going to go back to my blending brushes and pick up the purple shade and make it all blend in together. Kind of just like gonna go into the middle color and drag the purple shade out. And now for my under eye shadow, I am going to pick up the purple shade here and apply it into my inner and outer half of my eye.
'Cause when you lock me in, I'm in for life. Don't care, it's a cruel paradise. Say you'll be mine. The tide has turned around. Just listen to.
And for the inner part of my eye, I'm going to pick up this highlight and also this highlight. And now I'm going to pick up my Wet n Wild Proline Felt Tip Eyeliner. And I am going to do my winged eyeliner. Next, I'm going to grab my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk and apply that to my waterline. And I did it with a very, very light hand. I didn't go like deep, deep. I just did it slightly, not like, you know what I mean? So next, I'm going to apply my mascara. I'll do that off camera. And I think I'm going to apply lashes, but I'll let you know when I'm back. So off camera, I just did my mascara and I did not apply lashes because I ran out of lash glue. But I did do these braids and my hair was crimpy from last night because I had it in braids. But yeah, this is the final result. I really hope that you guys liked it, and if you did, can you please give it a thumbs up? And if you like me, please subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!